Hello students, welcome back to Max class. In this class, we are going to study chapter 2 addition part 4. So students, our topic number 1 of part 4 is addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. In the previous part, that is part 3, we had learned addition without regrouping. Addition of 3-digit without regrouping. Now we are going to start our example 1, addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. First example is add 539 and 323. So before starting our sum, we have to remember two things. Firstly, we have to write the format, our sum in the proper format. And second thing, we have to start our sum from back side. So in 539, 5 will be my 100, 3 will be my tens, 9 will be my ones. And in 323, 3 will be my 100, 2 will be my tens, 3 will be my ones. And the sum is denoted by the sign of addition. So step number 1, add the ones. So I will add all the ones. 9 ones plus 3 ones. In 9 ones, I will keep 9 on my head and open 3 on my fingers. 9 को head पे रखूंगी and 3 fingers में open करूंगी. Now I will count on these 3 fingers after 9, that is 10, 11, 12. So my answer is 2. 2 का 2 I will place here and 1 will be carry over. So students, in 12 मैंने 12 को split किया. 1 10 plus 2 ones. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने 2 को नीचे रखा एंड 1 10 को मैंने कैरी कर दिया. स्टेप नंबर 2, ऐड द टेंस. नाउ हमें सारे टेंस को ऐड करना है. दैट 1 वी हैव टू ऐड दैट वी गॉट फ्रॉम कैरी, देन 3, देन 2. सो 1 10 प्लस 3 टेंस प्लस 2 टेंस. नाउ पहले मैं 1 और 3 को ऐड करूँगी, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसको मैं 2 के साथ ऐड करूँगी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, here 1 plus 3, 1 will be in my head and for 3 I will open 3 fingers. I will count on these fingers after 1, that is 2, 3, 4. So students, 1 plus 3 is 4. Now in this 4 I will add 2 more. So 4 will be in my head and for next 2 I will open 2 fingers. So 4 plus 2, 4 के बाद से मैं 2 फिंगर्स पे गिनूंगी, डेट इज 5 and 6. So my answer is 6. I will write 6 in tens place. Now step number 3 is add the hundreds. So students, here my hundreds are 5 and 3. So 500 plus 300s. 5 will be in my mind. For 3 I will open 3 fingers. So students, 5 plus 3. 5 के बाद से मैं 3 फिंगर्स पे गिनना स्टार्ट करूँगी, डेट इज 6, 7 and 8. My answer is 8. So 539 and 323 is equal to 860. Students, example 2 we are going to see along with story sum. In this way, revision of story sums can be done. So students, my question is, a florist sells 130 flowers on Monday and 385 flowers on Tuesday and 247 flowers on Wednesday. How many flowers did he sell in 3 days? Students, यहाँ फ्लोरिस्ट मीन्स जो फ्लावर्स सेल करता है. यहाँ क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है कि एक फ्लोरिस्ट 130 फ्लावर्स मंडे को बेचता है एंड 385 फ्लावर्स ट्यूसडे को सोल्ड करता है. 247 फ्लावर्स वो वेनसडे को सोल्ड करता है. तो टोटल वो कितने फ्लावर्स सोल्ड करता है तीनों दिन को? सो स्टूडेंट्स, वेन एवर दे आर आस्किंग फॉर टोटल, वी हैव टू डू sum with addition. So before starting our solution, we have to arrange the sum in proper format, that is place value chart, 100, tens, ones. In 130, 1 will become in hundreds, 3 will be in tens, 0 will be in ones. Similarly in 385, 3 will be 100, 8 will be tens, 5 will be ones. In 247, 2 will be 100, 4 will be tens, and 7 will be in ones. Now students, we have to do add. So firstly we are going to start with our ones. मैं पहले 0 को 5 के साथ ऐड करूँगी, जो आंसर आएगा उसको मैं 7 के साथ ऐड करूँगी. सो स्टूडेंट 0 + 5, whenever we are adding 0 to any number, we will get the same number as our answer. So 5 + 0 is 5. Now 5 is my answer. I have to add 7 more. So students, 5 + 7, 5 will be in my mind. For 7, I will be opening 7 fingers. I have to count on these 7 fingers after 5, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So my answer is 5 + 7, 12. 12 का 2 मैं यहाँ लिखूँगी. 1 will be carry over. Now I have to add all the tens. Students, 1 + 3. पहले मैं 2 नंबर्स को ऐड करूँगी. 1 + 3. So 1 + 3 will be 1 in my head and 3 on my fingers. So students, 1 + 3. 1 के बाद से 3 गिनूंगी फिंगर्स पे, that is 2, 3, 4. 1 + 3 is 4. Now 4 + 8. 4 में 8 डालने, तो 4 will be in my mind and 8 will be on my fingers. I have to start counting on these 8 fingers after 4. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My answer is 12. So 12 + 4. 3 + 8 + 1 is 12. Now we have to add 4 more. तो 12 का 12 मैं हेड में रखूँगी एंड 4 के लिए मैं 4 फिंगर्स खोलूँगी. That is 12 + 4, that is 13, 14, 15, 16. Now my answer is 16. 16 का 6 I will write here and 1 will be carry. Now I have to add all the hundreds. 1 + 1, students, 1 + 1 is very easy, that is 2. Now in 2 I have to add 3 more. So 2 will in my head. For next 3 I will open 3 fingers and I have to count after 2. So 3, 4, 5. 1 + 1, 2. 2 + 3, 5. Now I have to add 2 more. मुझे 5 में 2 और ऐड करना है, that is 6 and 7. So students, 1 + 1, 2. 2 + 3, 5. 5 + 2, 7. The florist sold 762 flowers in 3 days. वो 762 flowers sold कर रहा है. Thank you. So I hope you understand the chapter. Do the practice of chapter 2 addition at your homes.